Hey guys, I want to show you this really cool clock timer that we got. This is actually intended to go right in the shower. So really cool. What I like about this is you can really, one's going to show the time, but it shows temperature, internal temperature, so the temperature in the room. So it shows that currently in this room right now it's 77 degrees. Our relative humidity is 59% and the time is 12:04 p.m. So clock, but the cool thing it does too, and the reason this is shower, one, it's waterproof. It can handle the humidity, and it's really easy to mount. You can mount it on the wall with a nail and just slip it on. You have this piece right here that's an adhesive bracket that's got this metal pin that you can mount it on, and it comes in the box with a suction cup mounted on the back of it too, so you can mount it on the wall. With water being limited in availability at times and the price going up, being more efficient and taking less time in the shower is important. What I like about this is you can quickly hit the 10 and it's going to start a 10-minute countdown for you. 10 minutes in the shower and it's going to set an alarm for you, or you can clear that and do as many minutes as you want. So I'm going to use this for my older boys. They take forever in the bath or shower. So we're going to start giving them a timer, putting it in there, and hopefully save some money on water. But really excited about this here. I'm going to show you guys how it works. Again, no assembly required, just 2 AAA batteries, and you're ready to go. Hope you guys enjoy it.